Okay, so it's been like what, 2 weeks since my last video. A lot has happened. So car's still not painted, obviously. Been going through some stuff right now. Nothing like personal or nothing like that, but I'll tell you in a separate video. Let's just get to the whole purpose of why I'm even doing this video right now, and that is to change out that fender right there. So let's get started. Alright, fender's on, everything's bolted down, and here's what it looks like. So, remember I was saying earlier that it was a perfect fit? Yeah, I lied. So, like right here, the lines match up and all, but like there's a slight like overhang, so like you can feel it catching right here on your finger. It doesn't just like roll off. I mean, it's flush, like it looks like it would work, and you wouldn't be able to see it. Right here is pretty good. Off, fly off. And then down here is the first thing I noticed that was bad. So it starts off kind of good right here, kind of runs down, gets narrower, smaller, 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 and then it pretty much goes like it's almost touching. Like, I don't know if you can see that, but it's like so close to touching. I already opened and closed the door, that's fine, you know, like there's no issue, but like it's so close, and that just kind of is ugly. But I mean, who cares? Who really looks at that stuff anyway? I'm not too crazy about body panels matching up because I'm pretty sure this won't be my last fender, but I mean, it's whatever. I think it'll look nice when everything's sprayed, but yeah. All right. So where have I been for the last like 2 weeks? So I was trying to get that thing painted out there, and it was raining, it was snowing a little bit, and I was just like, I want to wait until I have a full week of just sunny days, and next week is full of sunny days. So I plan on painting the car, or getting the car painted next week. So I just put the fender on. I still got to do some sanding and get the side skirts on. Or actually, I really don't even need to put them on. I just need to get them painted, and just do a little stuff here and there, fix the rust and fix some or push out some dents or pull some dents. But I got a job at Honda. I didn't really quit my job doing dominoes yet. I didn't want to really quit that because I'm not sure how this whole Honda thing's gonna go. But if everything goes according to plan, my paycheck could be about double, if not triple, what I make right now at Domino's. So right now I'm on track to make exactly what I made at Domino's in about 4 or 5 months. So that's a lot. It's a lot of money, and that means, you know, more videos for this. That's why I'm kind of putting this on the back burner, because really, like, this was just winter time and everything was slow, and you know, I really didn't have time to do anything, because you know, now this is considered a full-time job. So before at Domino's, I was only doing like 30 hours a week, 35 hours a week, but now I'm like full-time, and I'm just trying to see where I can go with this. Also, stay tuned on Monday for a little announcement that I'm doing. I'm gonna go ahead and take a break from this now, because that's all I really wanted to do, is put on the fender and just kind of mock up the side skirts and see how they fit. I still gotta cut that little piece out for the side skirts to make it flush, but I'll do that tomorrow, because you know, tomorrow's another sunny day and it's kind of late here. So that's where I'm gonna cut the video today. I'm not sure what next week's schedule is gonna look like, since I'm not gonna have the car. So you can expect to see, like, I don't know, the DB8 chassis or the DB7 chassis, and the difference between that, and maybe some other stuff. So I will catch you guys in the next one, and yeah, that's it.